Hey everybody, welcome back to Guns and Gadgets, your source for Second Amendment news. Got a big update here with regards to the Defense Distributed 3D printing victory last week. Well, that victory is being challenged right now. So you might be aware that last week, July 24th, I believe it was, the owners of and the lawyers of Defense Distributed came to an agreement with the U.S. State Department, and the settlement was reached, and it allowed them to publish their plans for 3D printed firearms. And a lot of people reached out to me and made me aware of this case coming down, or the settlement. And then some people were asking me why I didn't do a video right away. It was because right away I was told something was going to happen, and it was going to happen quick. And that brings us to the notes I have right now. So almost immediately they were sued by New Jersey. They received a cease and desist letter. They were also they were sued by Pennsylvania, the attorney generals of these states, and the Defense Distributed even came to agreement with Pennsylvania, saying that it would make their website inaccessible for people in Pennsylvania, and that users of the site, those who had joined, would not be able to upload any additional future plans to the website. But it didn't stop there. Almost immediately, 20 states joined together and are suing to stop this. I got some notes here. They're arguing that the State Department violated the Administrative Procedure Act and infringed on each one of the states' 10th Amendment right to regulate firearms within their own states. So that is going to be big news this week. It hit today. Today is Monday, July 30th. And to show you how serious this is going to be, the Pennsylvania thing came down in an emergency hearing conducted yesterday, Sunday, July 29th. How many courts or how many hearings are carried out on a Sunday? So that tells you everything you need to know, that the liberals are on this big time. The leftists do not want this to happen. So under the agreement with the State Department, the plans were going to be available Wednesday, August 1st, and every leftist state in the world right now is trying to stop that from happening. You would think that would be enough, right? The 20 states would jump in, and they're probably going to get something accomplished on their side as far as blocking this, but it doesn't stop there. U.S. Representative Frank Pallone, or Pallone, Democrat out of New Jersey, is filing a federal bill that would block the production of 3D printed firearms nationwide, make it illegal. So it's coming, and they're coming hard. If you happen to get the opportunity to download these plans, you might want to do it ASAP, because it's probably not going to be there for long. Just a little quick hitting update before I get ready to go back to work. Please pass this along. There's a lot of people who are excited about last week's settlement where they can start downloading these, but the attack is on full throttle. I appreciate your time more than you know. Please pass this along like I've asked. Please consider joining this channel, hitting the subscribe button down below if you haven't done it already. For those subscribers who have been with me forever, thank you. You guys and gals do not know how much you mean to me. I appreciate your time much more than you know. Until we see each other again, this is Jared from Guns and Gadgets. Be safe, stay vigilant, and carry a weapon. Take care, everybody.